I almost got shot in the head. Hey, it's Darren Palmer here on The Block, and I'm about to take Domain's 20 question challenge. Wish me luck. Design element that always wins. My candles. Favourite part of judging alongside Shayna and Marty. They don't agree on much. It's really fun. Are you a good cop or a bad cop when it comes to judging? Good cop? Come on. Rookie renovator's biggest mistake. Not setting a budget, not setting a timeline. Most rewarding part of being a judge. Seeing so many cool new ideas and seeing how much can be done in such a short period of time. Biggest challenge judging a block room. I start at perfect and remove things because of imperfections, and it sucks because they're all really good. Should contestants design for the judges or for the market? It's a design competition for money and for the market, so both. Favourite celebrity home you've seen? Jen Hawkins' place, because I did it. Essential quality for a block contestant. Resilience. Craziest renovation accident you've witnessed. I almost got shot in the head by a nail gun. Once. That'd be it.
That was 10.
That's not bad. That's not bad. Beat that, Shayna and Marty.